Se puder se inscrever no canal, eu agradeço demais.
Vitor Belfort, he kicked me in the head. A few months later, whenever I was in a restaurant, because you know restaurants are always dark, I'd be like wiggling my fingers and I couldn't see them. And I remember at one dinner, I said to the prawn, I said, just do that there. I said, can you see your fingers? And everyone was like, yeah. And then everyone was making fun of me at the table and whatnot. Anyway, it started off here. And then by the end of it, my hand would be there and I couldn't see. And I was sitting at my kitchen counter one day and I couldn't fucking see that. And I'm like, this isn't right. So then I Googled it. And of course, anytime you Google something, you know, it's like if you fucking say, I've got a lump on my dick,
AIDS.
You've got AIDS. You're going to die. So anybody said detached retina. So I called up I Googled retina doctors. It turns out there was one right by my house. So I called them up and I say, yeah, hi, I think I've got a detached retina. They said, why do you say that? I said, well, because when I put my fingers in front of my face and wiggle them, I can't see them. They went, oh, you need to come in right now. So I went in, they did the test, you know, they dilate your eyeball and all that stuff. They went, yeah, you've got very much a detached retina. You need to have surgery right away. So then the next day I had surgery. They fixed it, you know, and all I was concerned about was my fight career. I was getting ready for another fight. I recovered from the surgery and we were sparring too hard like idiots. And here's how you know you're sparring too hard, because I redetached my retina and one of my sparring partners broke his hand on my head. So we're definitely sparring too hard. Anyway, I was doing some press for the fight in LA and I was driving home and I was driving down the 5. And as I was driving, it was like curtains just closing. It just went shh. The vision went like that, and there was just a little strip in the middle. It was fucking bizarre. So I was freaking out. So
this was post-surgery?
Yeah. Post-surgery. So then I went in to see the doctor again. They said, unfortunately, scar tissue developed, which just happens sometimes, and that caused it to redetach. So then I had surgery again. They fixed that. I was told to take things very, very easy. Don't do anything that can get your heart rate up. You know, don't exercise or anything like that, because the blood pressure might cause it to redetach. So I was having to take it very, very easy. Look at this, baby boys. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? That's why I used to wear fucking sunglasses, baby boy. Hold on, let's put that back in.
Curso de inglês no primeiro link na descrição.